I have full voice tonight. So, past the last couple shows, Auckland in particular, oh my God, no voice at all. But I just screamed my way through it. So I'm gonna try, if I seem sedate.
Really?
It's because I'm gonna try to take care of my voice. A little bit, just a little bit. Anyways, let me get a little water and we'll jump right back into it, okay? Standing on the edge of the bartender, Mom said, like the truth you think tonight, if the wind from top that you blow me away. Oh, yeah. From this altitude, you won't come back to home, and you know the time, yeah. God is left to me. He's like a cemetery, what's all done right. I don't know what the Mississippi to watch me where you do. Down in your legs, maybe something in my dreams will I will feel the sweat from the dawn in my mouth. Oh, yeah. While the campus out, like a never told my direction. Oh, yeah. Spinning out of war, losing all control. I'm down to the center, hugging, oh, yeah. The train I know, whoa, now, whoa, oh, yeah, all right. And likely you'll find you. Watches over me, keeps with you and one at night. If you made it till we're the guy with the heart and the king. I see you later, standing on the edge of saying I am, right am I am, who's out, standing on the edge of saying I am, right am I am, who's out, standing on the edge of saying I am, right am I am, who's out, standing on the edge of